What is God's promise to those who seek Him first?
But seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you.
Jesus has promised you that if you seek Him first, He will provide for all your needs completely, to the point where you shouldn't even have to worry about how it's going to be taken care of. Think of a little child with their parents. Most little children don't naturally worry about whether or not they'll get to eat or drink or have clothes to wear. They don't worry about bills, work, or money in the bank. They just live their lives trusting that their parents are going to provide for their needs, and when they want something, they go to them to ask for it. This is the kind of faith that Jesus is looking for you to have in Him. If you put Him first, you can live your life trusting that He will take care of your every need.